Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish rolls without an oven. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh fish fillets, like tilapia or cod, along with your favorite seasonings. We'll also prepare a delicious filling using finely chopped vegetables and fresh herbs. Make sure your fish is thinly sliced or gently pounded to about 1/4 inch thickness, which makes rolling much easier and ensures even cooking. Now that your fish is ready, it's time to add the delicious filling. Take a spoonful of your prepared vegetable and herb mixture and spread it evenly over each fish fillet, leaving a small border. Then, carefully roll each fillet tightly from one end to the other, creating a neat cylindrical shape. To ensure they hold their form, secure each fish roll with 1 or 2 toothpicks. This prevents them from unraveling while they cook. With your fish rolls assembled, let's explore 2 excellent oven-free cooking methods. You can pan-fry them in a skillet with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat, turning occasionally until golden brown. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Alternatively, for a lighter option, steam the rolls for 8 to 10 minutes until the fish is opaque and flakes easily. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Once your fish rolls are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. Serve them warm, fresh off the pan or steamer, with a simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. They also pair wonderfully with a light dipping sauce, such as a homemade sweet chili sauce or a classic tartar sauce. For an extra touch of freshness and visual appeal, garnish your delicious fish rolls with some freshly chopped parsley or cilantro. Enjoy your homemade, oven-free creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.